Hi, welcome back to the unboxing of the treadmill part 2. As you see, I've had to put some stuff together. I had to put the legs on and these screws here. That's obviously the on button, on off button. Over here we have the lock bolt. So if you wanted to leave your machine locked, we screw this in. If you want to fold it back up to use it, you just unscrew this. And then you can fold it up to use it. So I'll do that now so you can see. I think it looks pretty good. So now we're going to lock this back in, obviously. Just to lock it back up so it stays it. Like that. Yep. Alright, so now I'm going to turn this on, just to show you guys. Alright. So these are the speeds. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this thing over here. So we're going to put that in. And then we're going to choose our speed. I think this here is for music, and if you want to put your USB stick in there, you can. There was another cord somewhere, but there was that cord somewhere, but I don't know. Yep. Yeah, it's not there, I don't know where it is. Oh.
On the computer?
Yes, it's here. Okay. So that actually crosses in there. Okay.
It does have its own speakers.
Yep. So what we're going to do is we're just going to press 3 for now. Stop. And you can actually change speeds on it. You go 6.
I think you can go anywhere between 6 and 9 by using the up speed button.
Yeah, as well, yeah. So I'll just show you 9.
Yep.
So it's pretty fast. So do I just press off now? Stop. I'll just press stop. Slow down.
Slow stop unless you pull the emergency
Yeah,
button.
unless you want to pull that, then it stops automatically. But so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it.
You gonna try it
No, I'll try it out later. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.